Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy M20. If you don't have the pin code and you're locked out of your phone, you can actually just do this hard reset and it will erase the code. It will also erase everything else, so your phone will be like it was when it came out of the box with no apps, no photos, no nothing. But if you're ready to do that, we can do this pretty easily. What we're going to do is, with our phone off, we're going to press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. We're just going to hold them for several seconds until the phone vibrates like it's turning on. And once it will turn on into this recovery menu. And you can't touch the screen here. You're going to have to toggle through these menu items with the volume up and down. And we're going to volume up and down toggle over to the wipe data factory reset option. And then we're going to hit the power button in order to confirm that option. And from here, we're going to come to this confirmation screen where it says wipe all data. This cannot be undone. You toggle down to the factory data reset, and once you hit the power to confirm, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of the phone and it will be brand new. So once that's done, it takes a few minutes to run through. Then you can go ahead and reboot the phone and it will turn on like it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.